Hello and welcome to English Week 1, Day 5. Quick reminder, I'm Miss Pipel. If you are ever going to be late for class or you need to leave early or you're not going to make it that day, please let me know by emailing me at apipel@dpsk12.net. Just a reminder, there will be several emails that pop up. I've been with DPS since at least 2007. And my name's changed a couple times. I've changed schools a few times, so my email has changed. They all go to the same one. This just happens to be the shortest, so that's why I like to give that one to students. Also, you can call or text me. The best time, though, if it's during class, is the best ways to reach me is text message. I can't answer my phone in front of the class. It's not professional. And then meetgoogle.com is where we meet during class time. And this is our code, so please join us sometime. All right, quick overview of the day, and then we'll get started. Our due now, you'll be answering that in your note catcher, which is in our Schoology class under Week 1, Day 5. We will be doing a few sentences through our introductions and working with our academic vocabulary word optimistic. We will also be completing our first Traits of a Trailblazer self-assessment, and I will model for you how you can do that, how I've taken out some steps so it's easy for you to do. And then finally, optimistic, close, two of our favorite quotes. So let's go ahead and get started with our do now. Would you rather be a wizard or a ninja, and why? So please pause this video, go over to your note catcher, and complete your sentence. You are graded on correct capitalization and end punctuation. Not spelling, not grammar. It's a quick do now. All right, please pause, and I'll see you in a minute. Welcome back. Introductions. All right, let's go into our two sentences that we're going to be writing here. All right, so I'll model for you what has gone well for you this week, what has been a challenge. For the most part, the online class time has gone well this week. A challenge I have faced this week was Schoology and internet issues. So that's a true story, and I hope to get better and better at the Schoology piece throughout the quarter. So you can pause now and go and answer these two questions. Again, I'm grading you on, is it on topic? Then correct capitalization at the beginning of a sentence and correct punctuation at the end of your sentence. All right, go ahead and press pause and see you in a minute. All right, let's go to our next one. So again, here's your sentence stem for number 2. All right, 2.2. Who is someone that is optimistic in your life? Why or how? Review, optimistic is an adjective for hopeful and confident about the future. So this is my example. Someone that is optimistic in my life is my daughter, Hannah. She takes change as an adventure and is willing to try new things. All right, now it is your turn. Please pause, go over to the note catcher, and for 2.2, please write your sentence. A sentence stem has been provided for you. Thank you. All right, Traits of a Trailblazer, Week 1, TOTES self-assessment. So the last day of every week, students will complete their Traits of a Trailblazer self-assessment in Google form. Here are the basics. So this is going to take us away from here, and I'm going to show you roughly how to do it. All right, so you're going to enter your name. Please make sure you enter your name. My name is Anne, named after my grandma. On a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being not fabulous yet, and 10 growing or expanding, how well do you believe you represented the traits of the Trailblazer this week? This can be for your personal life, for school, for work, whatever it might be. All right, so I am going to say I was at a 7. All right, so first I have to say how I best represented traits of a trailblazer. So in a complete sentence, describe the character traits that you best represented and explain why. I'm simply going to copy and paste this sentence stem, and then I just need to update it. So I believe I best represented, I'm going to say professionalism. So I'm going to take out what I don't need. Now, if you find you represent more than one, that's fine. Just be able to provide evidence. So now I need to provide my evidence because I use tech on a daily basis. All right, that one's ready to go. In a complete sentence, describe the character trait or traits that you haven't yet best represented and explain why. I am going to stick with professionalism. And again, you have the Traits of a Trailblazer video attached to this. It has Google Slides. It's part of a Google slide. If you want to go through and do something different, you can. So I believe I haven't best represented professionalism. I'm going to stick with professionalism because there are some characteristics on there that I don't think I did well. And I don't think I self-advocated for myself well enough yet when it comes to Schoology. So I need to work on that, asking for help. What traits of a Trailblazer characteristic will help you become a strong student in the virtual classroom? So you're doing it right now. You're in a virtual classroom in our remote learning. So I think I will utilize personal. I'm going to take out to become a strong virtual student because I have to get better at working with others. You know, this is one thing, there's a blessing and a curse with remote learning, and the blessing is now. I think I'm becoming pretty good at teaching virtually. At least I think I am. Please let me know where I can improve, okay? All right, so then I have to make sure I click submit. And it'll give me this screen that says your response has been recorded. Please make sure you do that. If you're doing it on your cell phone, a helpful hint, you have to have Google Form on your phone. Don't just try to finish it. I think some of these update in emails at times. Like if we have a problem with Schoology and I have to email it to you or share it, you have to open it and finish it in Google Form. Otherwise, it will not save your response. All right. Thank you. And let's go ahead and go back. And let's pause, and I want you to complete your own. If you look in Schoology, there's a link in Schoology, or there is a link tied directly into your note catcher. So either way, they get you to the same place. All right, I'll pause and go ahead and complete your Traits of a Trailblazer. And we'll be back in a couple minutes. All right. End of the week. These are our last 2 quotes for the week. Which ones do you prefer? Which ones do you like? Which growth mindset quote do you connect with or like the most, and why? So number 1, Black Lives Matter is not a sensitive or political issue. It's a humanity issue. Or number 2, I'm not telling you it's going to be easy. I'm telling you it's going to be worth it. All right. Welcome back to DC 21. And I hope this week went well for you, and take care. I look forward to seeing you all in class. Bye-bye.